Alrighty, Tim, here's your 427 small block Ford. Your description is a combination. It's got a set of our CNC heads on it. Got some ground hydraulic roller, Edelbrock air gap, quick fuel carburetor, MSD Pro Billet. Here's some Canton oil pan. Got the March Serpentine belt set up. Go there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Already 3,400 or 542 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 554, peak horsepower 520, we're rated at 520, it's got a front end on it, so it runs really good. What we'll do now is pull the bites back, make sure it's good and clean for you, show you a couple other things. And see, we're going to find this thing looks like a credit card. It is a USB card full of technical information. In your packet will be this engine spec sheet. It'll have a lot of information, make sure to read it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Have a great day.